Finding and paying for public charging for your electrified Volvo is easy. When charging at a station that requires an adapter, it's important to only use the Volvo Cars approved charging adapter. Be sure to register the charging adapter online so you can be reached in case of a recall or for important warranty information. Scan the QR code on the adapter for additional information. Let's get started. First, open the Volvo Cars app on your smartphone. If you haven't already, make sure to log in and pair your car with the app. Setting up public charging in your Volvo Cars app only takes a few steps. First, navigate to the charge screen and you will see Set up public charging. If your Volvo ID is associated with a ChargePoint account, you will need to log into your ChargePoint account. If you do not have a ChargePoint account, one will be created for you with your Volvo ID. When prompted, connect your Volvo ID by logging in with your ChargePoint account. After you successfully connect your Volvo ID with ChargePoint, add your payment method. Visa, American Express, and MasterCard are accepted. For the best experience finding and navigating to public chargers, use Google Maps built into your car and set the filters. Select and set filters for charger speed, payment type, and a charging adapter if you have one. Be sure to set the filter for adapter type. Be sure to only use the Volvo-approved charging adapter. If you have a charging network preference, set the payment type filter with services like ChargePoint or Tesla's Supercharger network. With your filters set, you can now begin your search and allowing Google to plan your route, building in necessary charging spots along the way. We encourage you to find available charging stations with Google Maps built into your car, which is designed to provide the best charging options in your route. You can either search for a charger near you or a charger you are familiar with by tapping the charging icon. You can also simply navigate to your final destination and allow Google to plan your route with available chargers along the way. The estimated state of charge and time needed to charge at the charging station are all incorporated into the route. Just enter your final destination and Google Maps will show you when, where, and estimated time to charge. When a DC fast charging station is set as a destination, the car will automatically precondition the battery. This helps ensure the most efficient charging speed and is the best for the battery's health. And since Google is built in, you can enjoy an array of content with your Google account while your car is charging. The available apps can be viewed in Google Play Store and downloaded to the car. Be sure to park with the charge port as close to the charger as possible. Next, take out your smartphone and open the Volvo Cars app. Navigate to the map screen. Zoom in on the map to find the charging station you are parked at. Note that only compatible stations will show in the map. You will see the charger details including real-time availability, charging speed, and price. Find and tap the number of the charger you're parked at. It's important to note that only charging stations that can be used and paid for through the Volvo Cars app will be displayed. If you cannot view the chargers, it means they will need to be used and paid for outside of the Volvo Cars app. Next, after you select the station number you are at, tap the available connector. Then tap Start Charging. Plug the charger in. If you are using a Volvo-approved charging adapter, connect the adapter to the charge cable first, then connect the charge cable to the car. Your car will automatically recognize the charging station. Ensure the charging adapter is plugged in all the way. Wait until the LED light in your car's charging port flashes green, which indicates charging is in progress. When you start a public charging session in the Volvo Cars app, a live activity will display on your iPhone's lock screen, allowing you to monitor your car's real-time charging status at a quick glance. The charging status can also be viewed in the car on the center screen display. Here you will also find the lock and unlock cable button. There is a status light in the charge port on the car you should become familiar with. There are a few status colors you will see at different stages in the charging process. A solid white light means the charging cable is attached and unlocked. A pulsing white light means the charging process is initiating. A pulsing green light means charging is in process. A solid green light means charging has completed. If you see a red status light, it means there is a charging fault. In the event of a charging fault, restart the process of connecting your car to the charger and try again. If the charge fault persists, you may need to try another charger. Charging will automatically end when the maximum state of charge percentage you set is reached. You can also choose to end the charging session early in the Volvo Cars app by tapping Stop Charging, or in the center display by tapping Unlock Cable. After charging has stopped and the charge cable is unlocked, either by clicking Unlock Cable in the center screen display or by pressing the charge cable release button in the charge port. Safely disconnect the charge cable from your Volvo. When you're using the Volvo approved charging adapter, you'll need to unplug the adapter from the car by pressing the silver button on the top of the adapter. Reattach any protective covers to the charging port. Then, unplug the adapter from the cable by pressing the release switch, located under the adapter, near the attachment point. You will want to unplug and move your car from the charger immediately after charging has finished, as some charging networks charge idle fees and congestion fees. You can access your receipts in the charging history section. To do this, click the profile icon in the bottom menu of the Volvo Cars app. Then tap Public Charging. This is the public charging screen where you can manage your saved payment method and view receipts. To view your charging history and receipts, tap View Charging History. Here you'll find a summary view of your public charging sessions in the Volvo Cars app. You can filter by week, month, or year. To view the receipts for these charging sessions, tap the Receipts tab. You can now view each receipt's details and download in PDF format if needed. That's all there is to it. Enjoy access to tens of thousands of public chargers and conveniently pay for charging, all through the Volvo Cars app.